get a small saucepan and put in half a cup of white sugar, fine sugar or caster sugar. Turn the heat on. Now have this over low heat. Now we want to cook this and we want to stir it constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes until the sugar dissolves and caramelizes. Well, that's almost ready now. It's almost dissolved and it's going to caramelize soon. That's pretty much ready. It's caramelized, lots of bubbles. Now just turn this off and set it aside until all the bubbles have subsided. Now get a small glass or a very small bowl. Spoon in a couple of sliced mangoes from a can because we want all the juice from it as well. Then pour in a few teaspoons, 3 or 4 teaspoons of the juice as well. Yum. Now put in about 2/3 of a cup of vanilla, low-fat vanilla yogurt. Add a couple of tablespoons of honey and 1/4 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Now just mix this in. Pour that mixture straight over the yummy mangoes. Put a little bit more mango on there. One more scoop. Get some spoonfuls of the sugar that's now caramelized. So it's going to be like a toffee type flavor. Yum. Put one more on top. And then pour some straight over it.